This dance is called Go Wham. 64 count, 4 walls. There are 2 restarts at wall 3 and wall 5 after 28 count, and there are 2 tags at wall 2 and wall 4. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Toe, step, rock, recover, back, hold. Section 1, toe, step, rock, recover, back, hold. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Section 2, back hold, back together, forward hold. Section 2, back hold, back together, forward hold. Section 2 with the count. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 hold 8. Section 3, side together, cross hold, side together, cross hold. Section 3, side together, cross hold, side together, cross hold. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 hold 8. Section 4, heel, toe, side, step, heel, toe, side, touch. Section 4, heel, toe, side, step, heel, toe, side, touch. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, side, touch, touch. Make a quarter to the left, side, touch, touch. Section 5, side, touch, quarter to the left, side, touch. Section 5 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, make a quarter to the left, side, touch, another quarter to the left, side, touch. Section 6, make a quarter to the left, side, touch, another quarter to the left, side, touch. Section 6 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, make a quarter to the left again. Side together, side, touch. Side together, quarter turn. Hold. Section 7, side together, side, touch. Side together, quarter hold. Section 7 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Last section, rock, recover, back hold, back together, forward hold. Last section, rock, recover, back hold, back together, forward hold. With a count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. That's the whole dance. Let me show you from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And this dance, at the end of first dance, beginning of wall 2, there is a tag. The tag is twist right, left. So from here, this is the beginning of wall 2. You step together, you twist to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. So with the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you start wall 2. Toe strut, rock, recover, back, back, together, forward, hold. So this dance, there is also restart at wall 3. Wall 3 facing here, 6 o'clock. Let me show you wall 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. This is 24 count. So the next 4 count is heel, toe, side, step. And in this junction, you start your dance. Toe strut, rock, recover, back. Back, back, back together, forward. And you continue the dance. So remember, wall 3 and wall 5, 28 count, restart. Wall 2 and wall 4, there is a tap.